I'm Pooja. I'm a beauty and a makeup expert, and you're watching me on Foxy, which has a lot of content on skin, makeup, and beauty. Not only you can watch the content here, but you can also order some of your favorite products. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you about how I do face shaving. I don't do it very often, maybe once a month, but then I'm going to be talking about some of the myths that we have related to this shaving aspect. So let's get started. So before I tell you how do I go about the process, I would first like to tell you that why I would like to do that. I like to shave my face because I feel कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक anti-aging property provide होती है, because all the peach fuzz and all the growth on the hair, all that is kind of taken care of, and your skin becomes very smooth, and especially before you apply your makeup. I probably do this maybe once in 20 days or maybe once in a month, totally depending on how the growth is. And yes guys, I have never felt that post using this shaver on my face, the growth has become more, or it's become thicker, or the hair has become darker or something like that. I think those are just myths, because a lot of this hair growth and the kind of hair that we have depends on our genetics and hormones. So the first step in this process is that I'm using a little mild slow cleanser, and I'm applying it over my face. You can also apply some nice oil or like a nice shaving cream that you have. I don't have anything during the lockdown, so I'm just applying a little baby soap cleanser all over my face. So it's just going to make the skin very smooth, and the application of the razor will become easy. So once I've applied the cleanser all over my face, I am just going to use a razor. So this one I picked up from in some place in the US. They designed these for women. So you can use actually any razor which is devised for women. And I'm just going to start working it along my face. The idea is just to go and follow the direction of the hair on your face, going up to the cheeks. I also like to take it on my upper lip. So can you see how the skin is becoming more smoother and it's becoming more clearer? And this is definitely, while you're shaving, there's a little bit of exfoliation that is also happening alongside. The same process I'm going to be repeating on my forehead. Just be very careful when you take it close to your eyebrows, and just in a very softer way. And just repeating the process on the other side. Just be very careful when you're shaving your face, especially around the sideburns, because you don't want to, touch the natural shape of the sideburns. At least that's what I don't like to do. Next, I'm just using a clean wipe to wipe my face. If you have any thin hair on the upper side of the eyebrows, then again you can use the razor to just remove it, but just be very careful. Like in one of my eyebrow videos, I told them that you can define a eyebrow boundary, that you don't want to go beyond this. So after wiping my face with a clean wipe, next I'm going to be applying my favorite serum, which is the Aloe Vera serum from this brand called It's Skin. It's a Korean brand, and they have fabulous products for skincare. Especially this range of aloe vera is being designed to actually take care of skin problems related to age spots and all the dullness on the skin or any burns on the skin. Also, we know that aloe vera itself has a lot of cooling effect, right? So it just calms down and makes the skin look very smoother. So I'm just going to take this serum and apply it in circular motions all over the face. So I hope today's video was informative for you, and if the facial hair is something which has been bothering you in this lockdown, go ahead and use a razor, because our hair growth is totally dependent on our genetics and our hormones. It has nothing to do with the razor. For more such content, log on to Foxy. If you have not downloaded the app, please download it now. Till then, stay fab and stay foxy.